Huh?
Come here.
Why?
Yeah,
Hey, here's the name, oh.
yeah.
We're here in HMAS, Otway, Holbrook, New South Wales. Adopted home of the Australian submarine. So basically, guys, this is an old.
HMA is Oatway.
I haven't seen an actual submarine in my whole life. But look at that. See? Up there, oh, ang haba. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Should I remove my hat? Hello. I just wanna show you something here in Holbrook. I'm here in Holbrook, New South Wales, guys. That's our truck over there. Ayun, there. We need to have a quick stop over because my husband wants to show me something. I'm gonna show the truck. Yeah, I told them that. See the truck? It's 138 ton rated. We're going to Melbourne later. We're southbound. So here, guys, say hi to my vlog, my love.
Hello, vlog.
That's my poggy husband. Love you. So yeah.
When you look at this, there's a sign there.
Huh?
Come here.
Why? Hey, here's the name, oh.
Yeah.
We're here in HMAS, Otway, Holbrook, New South Wales. Adopted home of the Australian submarine. So basically, guys, this is an old.
HMA is Oatway.
I haven't seen an actual submarine in my whole life. But look at that. See? Up there, oh, ang haba. What's the length?
It's long. Look how long it is.
Really? And you can get in?
No,
Why? There should be a door.
no, you can't. It's sealed.
Huh? Oh, you know this. Come on. What more? You're going to show me.
What's the story?
Ganda na, guys. Okay, let's walk. Alright, so I'm gonna show you something. So this is the
This
blah
is
blah
the
blah.
actual above waterline structure of the HMAS Otway. This submarine was the second of 6 Oberon class submarines built for the Royal Australian Navy between 1966 and 79. The dimensions and general detail
that's
are
nice.
as follows.
90 m.
90 metres.
That's my first
Brig
one.
width is 8 metres, including the ballast tanks. Surface displacement
Wow.
2,039 tonnes. Submerged displacement is 2,444 tonnes.
Why the lights on?
What lights?
Our truck.
Because I didn't turn them off. I left the parkers on.
Oh, alright.
Hmm?
Okay, so my husband's trying to explain.
But you keep interrupting.
Sorry.
Hmm?
The engine's off.
Yeah.
So yes, guys,
It was purchased and reconstruction by the citizens of Holbrook Shire. While some finance was raised locally, the main finance came from an extraordinary gift of 100,000 given by Gundala Holbrook, widow of the late Commander Norman D. Holbrook.
Oh my
The
God.
Victoria Cross. Royal
From the
Navy.
Queen. Anyway, guys, I'm going in. Halab.
Oh, here you go. Bye-bye.
Okay. So there's more. There's a park here, guys. Here, oh. Ayan, oh. Ayan. See that? Chuchururu. Ang galing, no? Funny. Yung mga may ganyan-ganyan pa sila, oh. Parang solar man yan. Kasi, oh. Look at the type of light that they're using in there. Yan siya, guys. Chin-din. How about my phone, love?
What about your phone?
Put, go Facebook Live. I gotta do Facebook Live. How to do live?
I don't know.
There, live. Allow access. Camera. Okay. Right. I did allow access. Wala ba?
Ma. Look. Oh, what happened here, Mother?
It's just shut down every 5 minutes.
How come it does that? What do you do?
It's saving,
So what do you...
It's,
Is it still recording?
Yeah. It's just
Look. My wife's got Chinese work boots.
Bullshit.
That's what we Aussies call Chinese work boots.
Ay, my hair.
Yeah, it's nice.
Di ako nagsukulay.
Uy, uy.
Hello. Ay, putik.
What?
Malamig dito. May vloggeries dahil.
Give it a look.
May
Oh yeah, point this. Look. See? See, look. You want to touch? Look. So this is an actual real submarine. Look. Real steel.
You sure?
Yeah.
It's not made of plastic?
No, it's real. It's a real submarine.
May vloggers.
Just like your farts. They're real.
Your pot?
They're real stinky.
Not my pot.
Your fart.
Ay, may papakita kami.
Hmm?
Ito dito kami kaya.
See? See, look how long it is.
Alam?
Huh? What's that?
Yan, sa likuran ko.
That's the front. See? It's getting dark.
No,
It's
it's
get-
okay because the camera will give
Yeah, I know, but it's getting dark and I'm getting cold.
you.
Huh? Imagine living in that thing.
Ang panahon pa to ni Queen Elizabeth.
Look, my love. Look,
Ano?
there's a wild bunyip.
Babe, make sure of the camera na.
Hmm?
From here. Korean Harbor. Malapit na kami sa boundary ng siguro mga 2 oras pa boundary ng Victoria. Harbor, tsaka New South Wales.
And look, there's the pub over there lit up.
Submarine.
There's the truck.
Ayan o. That's our... We're parked over there. Can I
Oh, fuck
zoom
no,
it? Oh, it's hard to zoom that. You okay with vlogging?
Whew.
Love you that.
It's too cold.
Babe, give me that. I'm gonna continue over there.
Where?
There.
There. Okay. Bye-bye.
These guys. Ayan daw yan. Love, this one is better.
Which one?
This one. So yes, ayan. Submarine daw man yan.
Come on, 15 minutes is up.
No, not yet.
Come on.
Paggabi na dito. Anong oras na ba? 5:34 na dito. So yan oh, haba. Submarine daw yan. Ngayon lang ako nakakita ng submarine sa buong buhay ko. Ginging, may ilaw pa sa taas oh. Hello, Nay. Ma'am Bernadette Bonifacio. Uy. So, babaybayin ko lang itong mahabang submarine. Sabi nila 90 meters daw to. Ganito pala yung submarine sa totoong buhay. Oh, ganyan-ganyan, oh. Shoot. Iyon, oh. Ang alam ko lang may ganun yung submarine, yung pinakatuktok niyang ganun. Ayan, oh. Yan. Diyos ko, hirap naman ano. Dalawang camera pa ang hawak. Thank you po. Oh, eto pala. Ayan, ayan ang ano. Diyos ko, kadilim pa. Paano bang mag-ano rito? Mag-light Sige atay. Hindi ako marunong. Ah, whatever. Madilim na, no? Papagabi na po. Ayan lang yung alam ko sa submarine. Yun, no? Yung pinakatuktok niya. Yan yung ganun. Yun! Yun sa itaas na yun. Ano man yan, whatever. Buti pa dito, oh, malinaw ko ng camera. Diyan. Tapos eto yun, yung hagdanan. Dilim na, no? Siguro di ko na aabutin yun hanggang doon. 90 meters daw yan, eh. Yun hanggang doon, 90. Tapos doon. Balik natin camera. Ayun. Galing naman na ilaw na nila rito sa park. May nakaipit sa kilikili ko. Ay, saan ba yun? Ang sombrero tsaka. Ayan. Dakat tayo. Ay, kalamig! 11 degree yata dito. Ay. Sige ata yun. Yun, hanggang doon. Haba pala, no? 90 meters daw yung submarine na yan. Ang magaling na ilaw nila, oh. Parang solar. Yun! Umitim na, wala na ilaw. So, yes! Kaya pala sabi ng asawa ko, matutuwa daw ako kung saan kami titigil ngayon. Pakita niya raw kasi madalas na kami dumadaan dito. Never ko tong nakita, tong submarine. Sabi ko, paano magkaka-submarine? Ala naman dagat dito. So, last view. Ayan. Yan na yan. Okay. Sinong viewers? Ay. Hello, Jude! Hi, Judy! We're going to Melbourne, but Ray decided that we need to have a stop over here. Showed me that submarine here in Holbrook. We're in Holbrook. Yeah. Ganda. Teka lang. Tapusin ko live vlog ko dito sa kabila. Ganda, oh. Okay. Lamig. Ayun guys, nawala na ako dito sa kabila. Hirap ng dala-dalawa. Ayun, dun na yan sa dito na yan sa kabila. Ayun, oh, ganda, oh. Yung submarine nila. Ba't ganun? Dito sa iPhone pa, ang labo na. Pero dito sa ginagamit kong pang-vlog na isang camera, okay lang, ang haba niya. Grabe naman yung ilaw nila dito. Tingnan yung ilaw nila naka-box. Ito man, oh, naka-box. There you are. So last glance. Ayan. Flip natin camera. Ayan. Ayan. Diyan tayo, Diyan. Hi, Judy. Holbrook. Yeah. I'm showing you the submarine. And the other camera. Ayun, oh. It says here that it's 90 meter in length. I was trying to walk all the way up there to the end, but no. I'll just do it like this. Yun, nakapark si Bebe. Anyway, thank you. End ko na yung camera. Bye-bye. Parang ang lungkot dito. Kasi dati raw busy itong daan na to nung hindi pa ginawa yung yung isang daan na malaki. Anong tawag nila doon? Bypass ba yun? Ayun. So, ayun lang guys. Bye-bye! Jude, say hi to mom. Miss you. Miss you everyone. Bye-bye. So, yeah. So, that one guys. So there it is. Ayan na. Okay. I think I need to make a photo. Nahilo na ba kayo sa vlog ko, guys? Don't worry, I'm about to end it. Sorry. I wanna see that one. Anong meron to, no? Ayan. Tapos yung pinakaulo niya, oh. Ayan. So guys, aroy, nag 15 minutes na itong ating video. So anyway guys, i-edit na lang natin. Ikakat-cut ko yung video na yan. Okay. So I'll be ending the video. Thank you so much for watching, and kindly hit like, subscribe, and notification bell. See you on my next vlog. Bye! I'll be going to the truck. Ayun ang aking asawa. Babe, I'm going there now.